Hello, engineers. It is me, Jake from State Farm. Yes, this is my voice. I am indeed a mayor, after all. I have to have a certain cultured and civilized way about me. Anyways, it's good to see you. Yes, I don't have the top hat, nor the cane, nor the monocle, nor the mustache. Times are hard, but we'll get through it together. Now, I want to remind you of what happened before we got in this predicament. You all modeled a bridge and made it for us to escape from the island. Very good. But, as you followed me to our locations, there are more bridges to be built, more money to be spent, more money to be saved. So let's make this happen together, shall we? The nice thing about where we live now is that there are workers to build the bridge. All I need you to do is design the stupid things. So, here's what I'm going to ask you to do. On Google Classroom is a bridge modeling Google Doc similar to the one we did before. Except this time, you're going to have a choice between a truss bridge or a beam bridge, as you are working over the Goobstroth Canyon to start. Yes? So, here's what you need to do. Go through each step. Go through the background, as I've just described. I am not a death rodent! Anyhow, scroll down. These are the size constraints for whatever bridge you choose. That the bridge must be 160 meters long, at least. The bridge must be a 4-lane highway. The standard lane in the United States, where we live, is about 3.7 meters. You do the math. There is no height requirement. First, you're going to choose what style bridge you're making. If you're doing a beam bridge, just a beam bridge. If a Warren truss, a Pratt truss, a Howe truss, an Arch truss, whatever, put that here. You will then draw out your plans as such. Remember, we do orthographic views. Side view, top view, and front view. Notice how in each point I have them labeled with the lengths. There's 1,800 meters, 1,500 meters, and each member of my Warren truss is 300 meters. So that's that. Now, you'll also notice that on the side view, some are labeled green and some are labeled red. Why is that, you might ask? Remember, we use green to show where we find places of tension, and red where we find places of compression. So on your side view, I also need that marked with green and red. Now, moving over here. Once you have drawn those out, there is a place on the Google Doc for you to take pictures and show me where each member is going to be and the measurements. Put that in Google Classroom to start. Tomorrow I'll check back in for a deeper and more complex way to model this. Have a wonderful afternoon.